Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play good guitar. First, let's establish a solid foundation. Proper posture is crucial for comfort and technique, so ensure you hold your guitar correctly, whether sitting or standing. Familiarize yourself with the instrument's parts, like the 6 strings and the frets. Dedicate at least 10 minutes daily to finger exercises. These build essential strength and flexibility for clear notes and smooth transitions. Now, let's dive into the building blocks of many songs. Basic open chords. Focus on mastering common chords such as G, C, D, E, A, and E minor. When forming each chord, press firmly just behind the fret to achieve a clear, resonant sound, avoiding any muted or buzzing notes. Practice transitioning between these chords slowly, aiming for seamless changes within 2 to 3 seconds. Consistent practice will make these changes feel natural. With chords under your belt, it's time to add rhythm through strumming. Whether you use a pick or your fingers, aim for a consistent and even strumming motion. Begin with simple down-up patterns, ensuring each stroke is deliberate and controlled. Gradually introduce more complex rhythms as your confidence grows. Crucially, practice with a metronome. Setting it to 60 beats per minute for a few minutes daily will significantly enhance your timing and overall musicality. To truly play well, consistent practice is your best friend. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice on 5 or 6 days each week. Start learning simple songs that utilize the basic chords you've mastered. This makes practice enjoyable and practical. A powerful tip is to record yourself playing. Listening back helps you pinpoint areas needing improvement, from timing to chord clarity. Celebrate small victories and enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.